Hey you guys, we're gonna go ahead and open up the Walmart beauty box, and this is for the summer. So I just received mine in the mail and I cannot wait to see what's in here, what kind of goodies they packed. And let's get started. The first thing that I picked up was this Hello, and this is a whitening toothpaste with charcoal on here, and I had gotten this before. This time they added the Hello toothbrush with charcoal, so I cannot wait to use that. I'm definitely going to use that right away to start whitening my teeth naturally. And I can't believe they added the toothbrush. That is so awesome. So these two products are going to go together. They're from the same brand called Hello. So I'll let you know how those work out. The next thing I got was this Biora. This is a charcoal cleanser. So I'm definitely going to use this. I love the brand for their nose strips. So I'll let you know how this works out. I love a good cleanser, especially if it takes out in all your pores and it cleans it out. I love that. That's one of my favorite things to do, especially with my skin. This is a Swab curl defining cream. Oh, this is amazing. I have curly hair, if you haven't noticed. So this is going to be great. I got two of them. So maybe I'll give one away and I'll use one to see. I love cocoa. So it has coconut in there. And I love this. And I have curly hair. So this is going to be perfect. I'll let you know how this works. And I love a good deep moisturizer, especially for my hair. It's so damaged, so I cannot wait to use that and see how it works, if it repairs my hair, if it leaves my curls all bouncy. I cannot wait. They also added this salon perfect nail design set. So this is cool. I never seen one and I never use fake nails, so maybe I'll give this away to someone, put it in a gift box or something like that. But it has a cool design, which I would love to try. And then they also sent a calm raspberry lemon flavored. This is a supplement. So I used that before and they are delicious and they help you just, calm down, relax, de-stress. This is the thing for it. And for the swab, they send a coupon. Like always, look at, you get $2.50 off their products. I love using these, especially if you're gonna go ahead and buy it because you really loved it. But this is the spring box. I just wanted to let you know what's in it. And it was only $5. So not bad for $5. You get to try out different products. If you like them, if you don't, you never buy them again. Either way, you get a whole bundle of just different items to try. I hope you guys like it. And until next time, bye you guys.